Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports at our new location, 1150 Concord Ave. And today we have our Suzuki Boulevard 800. This is 2008 C50, 50 cubic inches or 805 cubic centimeters, V-twin, liquid cooled, fuel injected, beautiful black with a real pretty blue metallic metal flake in the paint, straight pipes, leather Suzuki factory saddlebags, a really cool Mustang style fringed leather seat, nice shorty windscreen. This bike is really gorgeous. That's a quick release windscreen. You can just pop it off real easy if you want to take it around without it. Price to sell at just $39.90. We have financing. We have extended service contracts. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful clean used bikes in stock.